welcome back to Honey V Kitchen. For today's recipes, I'll be showing you guys how to prepare this delicious Nigerian soup called Ogbono soup. Please, in this recipes, it is a must try it and you will like it. For my old subscribers, please guys, thank you so much. I so much appreciate your love. You guys are amazing. For my new subscribers, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell for more videos. Like, share, and don't forget to drop your comments. I will always reply. Okay, please guys, see you on my next video and stay tuned. Bye. Yeah, my protein: beef ishaki, beef skin, and okporoko is called stockfish. Yes, so I need to add my seasoning cube, salt, and cover to boil for some time. Okay. Then my cover to cook. This is the ogbono. It's already blended with little prawns. Now I'll be adding my palm red oil and mix together. At this point, I'm going to add it to my protein. It's already pre-cooked for it to get dissolved. It is dissolved, so I'm going to step it outside to allow my protein beef to get cooked properly. Okay, cover and continue to cook to the way you wanted it to cook. Now I'm adding my smoked fish. I will stir a little. I added pepper, had it before, but you know, ogbono soup, you need to be little pepperish so that you like it. I'm adding my blended prawns. It's called crayfish, and I'll add my locust beans. I'll still add my salt to taste. Yeah, I'm back. I'm going to take off the smoked fish. I don't want it to get scattered, like broken too much. I'm going to take it away before adding the ogbono and stir properly. Stirring properly, we avoid you not to have stone in the soup, like mold ogbono in the soup. So you need to stir very well for it to get smooth. Okay. how it will look like. I'm adding my smoked fish. I will stay a little. I like ogbono with bitter leaf. Now I'll be adding my bitter leaf very little. Just sprinkle, okay? The bitter leaf is already washed, so I will stir. Yeah, the soup is ready to enjoy. You can eat with any swallow of your choice. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned.